Welcome to Calcugram Demo. The purpose of this is twofold. One is a tutorial for those of you who are already members, and two, this is also for those of you who are thinking of joining Calcugram, so you understand what its benefits are. If you take a look at the top here, this is really what it's all about. If we're trying to lose weight, if we're watching, let's say, our cholesterol through our carbohydrates, or we're trying to build some muscle mass, we're working out, there are key components that are very valuable to us through our food intake that really are being hidden from us, and we decode that for you. And something that I want to also point out is that fat, carbs, and protein are the only components in a calorie. That's what comprises a calorie. So therefore, those jumbled up food labels that we all read, we take a look at those, and at least I do, and they are very confusing. I don't know if I'm eating high fat or low fat, etc. So therefore, Calcugram. Alright, here's where we begin. Under Decode Your Food Label, we're going to click on that, and it does bring up the most important aspect of decoding a food label. I'm going to click on the box for calories, and I have a food label in front of me which shows me that there are 190 calories. So I'm going to enter that in. That's per serving, by the way. And I'm going to enter the total fat grams, which is 6. There are 24 total carbohydrates, and total protein grams is 10. Now, this is rather interesting to me. If you were just to look at this, not knowing what the food is, and you just see these numbers, all they are is numbers. We really don't have any context. The knowledge base really is very, very limited. So therefore, what we want to know is, what's the percentage of fat? What's the percentage of carbs? And what's the percentage of proteins based on 190 calories? So we click Decode, and we'll try to find out if this is where we want to go. That's how it works. It's that simple. You fill in your calories, the grams, and you click Decode, and you've got your answer. Okay, that's Decode Your Food Label. Next is Decode Everyday Foods. I'm going to click on that. And it does bring up everyday foods. What do we mean by everyday foods? I like the A to Z scenario, apples to zucchini. And I'm not just talking about fruits to vegetables, it's everything in between. So we click the drop down box on the select food category, and let's say that we want to have, here's some baked beans. Let's have some baked beans. Alright, and the next step then obviously is what kind of baked beans. Well, let's go with the first one. It says low sodium. And remember now, I'm trying to lose weight. Okay? And if I'm trying to lose weight, I'm trying to find something that is low in fat. That is what I would be looking for. If I were trying to build muscle, I would be looking at something that's high in protein. If I were watching my cholesterol, I want something low in carbs. So therefore, let's see what we come up with by clicking Decode. Well, for me, that's a winner. That's very low in fat. That's terrific for me. For those of you who are watching carbs, that's rather high in carbs. If you are building muscle and you're working out, that's pretty good protein content. So this gives you the knowledge to be able to make your decision. Alright, that's everyday foods. Next is Decode brand name foods, and that's exactly what it means. Every one of us has brand name food items in the house, along with going out to eat at restaurants. Let's take this morning. I happen to have gone to McDonald's this morning, and so let's find McDonald's within our database, and there we go. Let's click on it. Okay, so I went to McDonald's, I had breakfast. I had a sausage burrito. Alright, so let's find sausage burrito. There we go. Click on that. And now I want to understand, how did I do? Now, did I do okay? Remember, my goal is to lose weight. So let's hope that I did okay. Click the code. And I did not do myself any favors. It's almost, as you can see, almost 50% fat. So I have to make a decision based on that if I want to eat another sausage burrito. Does that line up with the goal of losing weight? There are many factors involved in that. If I'm working out quite heavily, this would be in moderation, not a problem. If I'm not doing that, then I have to be very careful. I really do like McDonald's sausage burritos, so I'm going to have to make a decision based on my factors, not anybody else's. Okay, so and then carbs and protein, as you can see. Again, you can make your own decisions based on that. So it's that simple. Under the decode your food label, that is called a bronze membership. And under the bronze membership, you have an unlimited use of being able to decode food labels. Everyday foods, that is a silver membership. The nice thing about the Everyday Foods silver membership is that it includes decoding all those food labels. Then, last but not least, decoding brand name foods is gold membership. And gold membership includes all three. And that's pretty much it. We decode, you decide. That is our motto. Our motto is very important to us. We do not want to be the food police. There's too many people that try to tell you what to eat, what you shouldn't eat, try to sell you food. We just feel that knowledge can be power. And if you have the knowledge, you have the power to make a decision. And it's a personal decision, and that's what we would like each and every one of you to do, is make a personal decision based on your personal goal. So that's Calcugram. Please visit us at www.calcugram.com. Thank you.